Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this men's fashion athletic sport t-shirt. Features a v-neck. This is a 92% polyester, 8% spandex. Comes in various different colors. Really like green is my favorite color. These come in blue, black, white, and everything else. It's like a very soft material. Let's go ahead and check it out, shall we? All right, friends, so final thoughts on this shirt. It's super comfortable. This is a really soft material. It feels cool and breathable, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna be all sticky and hot if you're working out or whatever. It's kind of a casual shirt. I definitely like the colors it comes in. And it's just really like soft and comfortable. It's a decent length. I like to wear my shirts untucked, so it's like a perfect length there. The sleeves are a little bit shorter than normal that I'm used to, but it's not like horrible or anything. It looks, I guess it looks pretty good. So yeah, looking a decent shirt for sure. I'll probably be wearing it around. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. See you next time.